You are going to love the 2020 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, regenerative braking system, autonomous braking, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.